18 months ago, we purchased a hurricane-damaged sailboat with the dream of sailing her around the world. We started documenting this adventure each week for all of our family and friends to follow along. Since then, we've been learning, laughing, and working harder than we ever have in our lives to make this dream come true. Thanks for joining our adventure. You're cleaning up. That must mean that you're done.
With phase one. This area is done. How's that?
So now what?
I'll fix that one. Fix the freezer one. Electrical.
And then we can clean the kitchen now that we have water again. Do we have water again?
We have water again.
Woohoo!
As much water as you want.
Today we are not working on the boat because we are working on the trailer. We had electrical stop working when Katie was making dinner last night. So now Todd is yeah, Todd's tearing everything apart.
I don't like that sound.
Trying to figure out what's broken and put it back together.
I don't like that sound, Mama.
What are you up to, little girl?
I'm playing dolls, but I'm just putting the outfits together.
This is the equivalent of a junk drawer in the trailer. We've been working hard on our boat for 18 months while living in our 31-foot travel trailer to save money on rent and expenses. What are you doing? You're working on your schoolwork? No. Writing a letter?
No.
What are you doing?
Maybe
Maybe.
to Santa.
To Santa?
I already made my thing to Santa.
Before deciding to buy a boat, we had been exploring the U.S. in this RV for 5 years. I'm in your way.
Yes. Move!
So this is what a random day at the trailer looks like. Hoping maybe we'll get back to the boat tomorrow? No, you've got a job tomorrow, huh, dear? Okay, Thursday. We'll get back to the boat on Thursday.
Aren't we making soup?
So what's with the orange outlet?
You gonna call me out on it?
No, I'm just wondering.
We haven't.
They're not for high voltage use. They're not for AC use. They're for like phone cable and stuff like that.
But
they don't have a back on them.
So we're using it anyway?
Yeah, because the walls in the trailer aren't deep enough for a regular box, and Lowe's here didn't have any super duper shallow ones that would actually fit, so I would have to cut a back off a box anyway. The box is supposed to keep you from sparking, and so I've just wrapped it with electrical tape so that it can't spark an arc anywhere. Which actually is probably as good as it was from the factory anyway. Probably better from the factory.
Todd's been a contractor for over 30 years. Before we bought the boat, Todd would return to Alaska to work every 6 weeks for several weeks at a time. This is our freezer. It belongs over there, but Todd redid the plug over there. What was wrong with the plug over there?
It had shorted out and nearly caught on fire.
Ah, nice.
So,
That is not
because
nice.
it was a crappy RV plug, and so I replaced it with a better plug, and now it works.
Awesome.
Yep.
When you live in an RV for very long, it's not designed for full-time living, so things like this happen and you have to do maintenance. So today is our maintenance day. Tomorrow, hopefully, the toilet will be coming and we have to install the toilet. Since Todd's working tomorrow, I guess we're doing that on Thursday, maybe not going to the boat. But since the toilet has a small leak, it's not sewer water, it's just regular water, but it has a leak, so we need to get it replaced before it starts causing a problem with the floor. Lots of maintenance. Today, Todd's installing cabinets in a townhome that was damaged during Hurricane Harvey. Two years later, a lot of people still aren't back in their homes. This area was hit really hard. Todd had called and asked for some help moving cabinets upstairs. Gabe and Katie were busy with another project, so I headed over to help. some of the work that Todd does to keep our boat project funded and moving forward.
We're cleaning because our grandma's coming today and she wants to see the boat, so yeah.
Today I'm at the trailer editing, which usually means Liberty takes over as videographer.
Where did these sunglasses go?
I always get a chuckle from her perspective.
Probably going in one of the cars.
Okay, then I'll just put them here.
Yeah, that's not where they go.
Any idea what this is from?
I know it is without even seeing it.
No.
A wooden ball.
It's a little cedar ball that came with the boat.
May the best year today be the worst year tomorrow. Whoa! Daddy,
What?
how's it going back here?
I don't know. What do you think? Does it look good?
Yeah. Looks good.
Thank you.
Welcome. I'm gonna go check on the others.
Our family loves to work to music. It can be a challenge when we're editing.
Let's go this way. It's wet.
Darn that leaky mast, someday we'll get it figured out.
Must be raining more again, huh?
Probably. I'm tired. I'm falling asleep on the couch. It's really hard work.
My poor Disney princess.
And I have to lock the trailer door.
It's time to go. I think when you get on works. Works? Not super work. One looks better. I'm bringing this one in case I'm cold. Okay. Close the cupboard door.
Shut that in case it rains. I'm not supposed to, but you never know.
This is my mom and dad. They've been super excited to come see the boat. Since we're still not in the water, they thought they'd come anyways. Hey, everybody in? Here's your phone, Mom. Oh, thanks. Ready? My mom's super nervous around boats, but this is hard. There we go. My mom is amazing when it comes to remodeling projects. It's fun to share our vision with her and help her see what we see. Despite being unsteady on his feet, earlier my dad had said he wanted to try coming on the boat.
I don't think Dad could do this. I'm glad he said no.
I'm glad he did too.
This is where the kids' bunk's gonna be.
Yeah, so this is a bunk.
You've already made it. Awesome.
So Gabe and Abigail have this space.
So are you leaving this like this?
Yes. Because Todd's like, we're not taking
It works.
apart.
She keeps telling me to get this dumb boat finished in the water, and then she says tear it all apart. And I keep going.
So this will be another project for another day.
Okay, so it's,
I want different countertops.
yeah,
And so
yes, from the man who does awesome things.
I know, that's what I'm like. Really?
And this is your room, Katie. Who knows what? Oh my word, it looks like you still have so much to do.
I know.
I mean,
But it's come so far. If you go back and watch our early videos.
I know. I mean, all the stuff you've done is stuff you don't see as far as the aesthetics of it. It's all the stuff that's behind the walls and under the floor, right?
We're just sitting in the car, and there's the beach outside. Did you like it? She got in the water. She got in the water, and now she's wet and cold, so we came in the van. The others are outside still. We have Gid, Grandma's dog. Had fun, but now it's time to rest. Isn't that right, baby girl? She's my dog, you know, 'cause like, she loves me.
My parents have been dreamers and doers their whole lives. As the oldest of their 10 children, I've had a front row seat to most of their adventures.
Can I take your trip down one of those little slides on the other side? Like one of those little ones?
Now my dad has Alzheimer's and they are slowing down. Spending the past 18 months close enough to visit with them regularly has been a huge blessing. My children have had the opportunity to spend precious time with them. When things aren't happening as fast as we'd like them to, we need to look around and appreciate the journey. We might just be surprised to discover things are exactly as they need to be.